You know, you have the one on your iPad where she's sitting on Pigo. That I think is pretty funny.
Yeah.
I don't know if people would consider that a.
Fish open eyes.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. That's interesting.
Fish open the eyes. Fish open eyes.
That's a good story.
Fish open the eyes. Fish open eyes. Fish open the eyes. Fish open the eyes.
Oh, wow. That's a good.
Fish open eyes. Fish open the eyes. Fish open eyes. Fish open eyes. Fish open. I'll go fish. Fish open the eyes. Fish open eyes.
So many fish eyes.
Fish open eyes. Oh, fish. Fish open eyes. No uncles. This.
Fish open the eyes, huh? The fish are really, really big.
Fish open eyes. Fish open eyes.
Look at this fish here. Where is it?
Fish.
Where's the big fish? There he is. Look at this fish. Oh, he's big, really big.
Fish. No. Take that. Oh, fish. Oh, eyes. No, that. Oh, fish. Fish. Fish open eyes. Fish open eyes.
I think that is a good story, Isadora.